Today, while taking a little walk on the seashore, I bumped into my friend Ambo, who had just finished a little fishing. So I decided to pick his brain to learn more about what life is like surviving and making a living off the bounties of the sea. Here with my friend, the neighbor, and he just caught some fish in his net.
This is hook. You can put the maybe sky hook.
Yeah.
You can put the head.
Yeah. Yeah. No, the heads aren't.
You can tapon.
The heads aren't yummy, eh?
At saka hugas.
Give them a little quick rinse.
At saka
Yeah.
kain.
Oh, polatan, little snack.
It's the good.
It's good.
Good.
Oh, good. Well, he offered me one, but I think I'll pass for now. But you never know.
Good. This is the best.
Yeah.
Like diabetes. No. It's the good.
It's manamit.
Manamit.
Yeah. And
Lalo na kung igway suwa.
yeah.
Like calamansi.
Oh, you like it with calamansi?
Calamansi. It's the good.
Delicious, eh?
Delicious.
Yeah, you got quite a few in there. Look at that. Let's see what we got.
Yeah.
You won't go hungry. What is that?
Yeah. This is the fish is very good.
Yeah. He's very beautiful. So many colors.
Where's the boy?
I think boy went home. He caught some fish earlier, and
The fish because the net is in.
oh, he left the net in the water.
Yeah,
I see.
like this. You can.
Yeah. How deep is the water where you put the net?
The low tide.
Yeah, the low tide.
The fish.
Right.
Yeah.
So it's not very deep.
High tide. The fish go to the mangroves.
Ah, all the fish they go hide in the mangroves over here, right?
Yeah.
Ah, I see.
High tide. The fish go to the mangroves.
Are the fish bigger when with the high tide? Do the bigger fish come in?
Maybe.
And the small, like all size fish?
Maybe maybe next time.
Mm-hmm.
No after maybe next time.
Yeah.
Mini the bigger.
The bigger fish? Well, I'll have to come and join you guys. That'd be very cool to see.
Because depend upon situation.
Yeah, the tide and the weather and all that stuff, eh? I guess the water currents.
High tide.
Right.
Mini. Next time, high tide, no more.
I see. I have a question for you. There's a wall here. Why do they have this wall? The coral wall.
This is a wall.
Yeah.
Maybe high tide.
Oh, the fish they get trapped? I see.
Trap the.
I see.
Low tide.
So in high tide, the fish go to shore.
High tide.
Then the tide comes back to sea, goes out, and then they're stuck in there. And you can pick them easy. Easy pickings. Hey? You're not fishing.
Oh, no. My wall. I cannot. No.
I'm stuck and I can't get out. Then you're not a fisherman, you're a fish hunter. I never even really noticed this wall, but now it makes a lot of sense. It's really ingenious, actually.
Maybe next time the fish, double low tide na, low tide.
Right.
High tide, go to the mangroves.
I see. Yeah, that makes sense. They go hide in there. And then what else is in there? Is there octopus? Do you have octopus?
I'm depend.
Yeah, but sometimes there's octopus.
Sometimes,
Yeah.
octopus. And so mini octopus pero small.
Oh, they're small octopus.
Octopus yung big. They're in
The big ones are in the open sea.
they're in mga
In the deep water.
deep water.
In the deep water. Oh, okay.
And smallest octopus.
They just
They're
hide.
in
Yeah, the small ones just hide out.
Smallest.
Yeah, they just hide out in the coral here in the seaweed. It's really cool. And are there squid here?
Squid.
Squid? No squid?
No.
No, this isn't the squid.
Mini.
Many squid.
Squid?
Yeah.
Because octopus, no squid is squid like a kanabit nga kaunon. Ang tawag dito sa amin ay kulambutan.
Okay.
Yun ang sinasabi mo nga squid. Yung ganyan lang ang may mga ang sarap.
Masarap. Manamit.
Manamit.
Delicious for those of you who don't speak Tagalog or Sibuyan.
Namis kasi yung katawan ng squid.
Yeah.
I'm sometimes I'm order there in
You order them?
maybe 301 kilo.
For the big squid?
No, yung big squid in purong super.
Yeah, oh, I see. They got to go really deep for the giant squids.
Yung manamit,
Yeah.
dito lang yon.
Cool.
Si Pariboy.
Okay.
Yung ganyan lang pag niluto mo, lagyan mo lang ng kalamansi o kaya ring adobo.
Yeah. Well, you put it in the calamansi and some adobo and
Adobo.
paradise, eh?
Ang sarap.
Yeah, I bet you love that.
Ay, nandun pati si Chona, nandun yung bata, nandun
Yeah.
doon. Ayun yung kulay pink yung damit yung ayun
I don't know who those people over there. I think they're doing some clamming or picking some shells, but I went by them earlier and they had a pail full of shells, so.
Ng lambat.
Yeah. Well, thank you very much. I really appreciate the lesson about fishing on the seashore, eating a different kind of sushi.
Mas masarap yung bagong huli.
Yeah.
Bagong huli, early cuts.
Yeah.
Tapos manamis-namis.
Okay.
Talagang masarap.
Okay. Well, that was absolutely fascinating, and it's just hard to describe how beautiful Sibuyan Island is here in the Philippines. It's the rainy season now, but there's a little break in the weather and it's just absolutely stunning. If you ever get a chance to make it to this part of the world, I definitely recommend that you make your way to Cebu Island and maybe do a little fishing with some of the locals. I don't think you'll be disappointed in the slightest. If you like what you see in this video, feel free to leave a comment and please don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. And we'll see you in the next one.